In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP NY7955E printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer and open the front door. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, so push it up and it will hold itself. Now go to your ink cartridges. To remove the ink cartridge, simply press it down and take it out. And to install new ink cartridge, place the color ink on the color side. Just place it and slide it with your thumb until you hear a lock sound. Do it same for the black ink cartridge. And now we are ready to close the ink cartridge chamber door. So press it down, automatically it will go close the front door. And check on the screen if there is any error or any problem. Thanks for watching.